So inyo pong napanood at nakita itong si Chelsea Fernandez dito sa second day ng Miss Cosmo 2025 na nagaganap sa bansang Vietnam. Dahil ngayong araw po ang kanilang headshot para dito sa kailang kompetisyon. So ating pag-uusapan ang mga samot-saring update at mga samot-saring kaganapan dito sa laban ni Chelsea Fernandez. Pero bago ang lahat ay huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At napakaganda mga kapolitika, napaka-glamorous, very beautiful itong ating candidate dito sa Miss Cosmo 2025. Kung kaya ang iba ay nanghinayang bakit sa Cosmo lang daw napunta itong si Chelsea Fernandez at hindi daw doon sa mga mas malaki pang mga beauty contest. Kasi meron tayong mga nababasa dito sa social media na bakit daw dito lang sa Cosmo itong si Chelsea, gayong pwede naman siyang sumali sa mas bigger international platform or international beauty contest. So ang masasabi ko naman at ang aking maging reaksyon ay pwede namang itong Miss Cosmo ay maging stepping stone ni Chelsea kung hindi siya mananalo dito sa kanilang labanan. So pwede siya sa Miss Universe, pwede siya sa Miss Grand, pwede rin siya sa Miss International. So depende sa maging takbo ng kapalaran ni Chelsea dito sa Miss Cosmo, kasi ang sinasabi nila is malaki daw yung reward dito, malaki daw yung premyo kung ikaw yung mananalo or magwawagi dito sa nasabing kompetisyon. So yun ang target daw ni Chelsea kung bakit siya dito nag-join sa Miss Cosmo, at siya mismo yung pumili na ito yung ibigay sa kanya na award ng Pilipinas or doon sa MUPH. So sa madaling sabi ay hindi sayang itong si Chelsea kung hindi ay nagpaka-practical lang siya sa kanyang naging desisyon. Samantala, update po pala dito sa botohan nila dahil kung sino daw yung magwawagi dito sa People's Choice, katulad doon kay Atisa last year na kung saan ay siya ang top 1 sa mga botohan, ay agad-agad na nakapasok siya sa top 10. But hopefully this time around mga kapolitika is makakasampa ng top 5 si Chelsea at makakahawak siya ng microphone. The contestant who earns the title Cosmo People's Choice will be granted direct entry into the top 10 finalists at the Grand Finale and Beauty Music Festival. So meron pong link na nilagay doon sa page ng Miss Cosmo kung saan po tayo makakaboto kung kayo ay willing pa na sumuporta dito sa ating candidate na si Chelsea Fernandez. Pero I believe na hindi naman sa boto na susukat yung support natin sa ating kandidata. The voting platform will open at 8 p.m. on November 28, 2025 and remain open until the Miss Cosmo 2025 Grand Finale and Beauty Music Festival on December 20th, 2025. At meron rin po palang mga usap-usapan mga kapolitika na medyo nagtampo daw itong si Ketut dito sa Miss Cosmo dahil wala daw siyang ganoong pa-homecoming parade nung siya ay bumalik sa Indonesia. Well, ang maging reaction ko naman ay hindi naman kasi ganoon ka-influential or kasikat itong kinoronahan ng Miss Cosmo, kung kaya hindi rin masisisi kung itong si Ketut ay hindi ganoon kalakas ang kanyang impact nung siya ay bumalik sa kanilang bansa nitong nakaraang taon matapos nga siya ang kinoronahan ng Miss Cosmo 2024. So siguro kung itong si Chelsea Fernandez ang kukoronahan ng Miss Cosmo ay malamang sa malamang malakas rin ang maging impact nito sa Pilipinas dahil maibabalik ang pagtitiwala or yung confidence ng mga Pilipino dito sa kanilang pageant. Okay lang naman yun na magkamali ang Miss Cosmo in the first place, pero pag pangalawang beses nang gagawin nila yung cooking show ay ibang usapan na yun mga kapolitika, kasi nangyari naman na ito kay Nawat dati dito sa mga candidate na ating pinapadala sa Miss Grand, and then nagkaroon tayo ng conflict dati with Nawat, pero ngayon is okay naman. At my point is hindi rin ito malabong mangyari dito kay Bawang kung ayusin niya yung resulta ng kanyang pageant. Okay? Yun ay kung gusto niya talagang makuha ang loob ng nakararaming Pilipino. So yun po ang ating update mga kapolitika dito sa naganap na Miss Cosmo 2025 sa bansang Vietnam. At dito naman pala sa glam team ni Chelsea, I believe na merong mga makeup artist na designated para sa kanila from Miss Cosmo. I believe na mas magaling at mas maganda talaga mag-makeup mga kapolitika yung mga taga Thailand. So mas believe talaga ako sa kanila, kuhang-kuha nila yung tawang timpla ng mukha ng isang candidate kung ikukumpara dito sa mga Vietnamese na mga makeup artist. So kung kayo po ang tatanungin, sayang nga ba itong si Chelsea Fernandez at dapat na sa Miss Universe siya mag-join? Ano po ang inyong mag-reaction? Mag-comment down below at huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe na rin kayo para updated kayo sa ating mga latest issue. At narito po ang mga kaganapan matapos na koronahan sa Miss International 2025 itong pambato ng Colombia sa katatapos lang na Miss International competition dito pa rin sa bansang Japan. So narito po ang kanyang press conference.
What qualities do you believe help you win the crown tonight?
I have that so clear, the fact that I'm never scripted, that I'm just myself, that I try to shine with my own light and be genuine, be authentic. Honestly, thinking about ramen 24/7, people knows it. I've had a lot of fun during this experience and helping each other, because I do believe that you don't have to be more powerful than others to shine. There's enough space and love for everyone in this world, and maybe Miss International saw that and they deemed me fit to carry this crown, which I will carry with a lot of respect.
Wow. Yeah, sure.
私はこういった自分の経験を自分の姿、自分らしさを出すことが一番大事だと思っているので、日本に来てやはりタンラーメンを好きというところもたくさん表現できることができたので、そういった部分も今後日本の美しさとかも共有していきたいなというふうに思っています。でまた大事なことは自分を他人に比較しないことがとても大事なので、自分らしく、これからもやっていきたいなと思っています。
Yes, in Fukushima, that I actually spoke about the kids that hugged me during this visit. I found it incredible, the resilience here in Japan. I think it's admirable, and there's so much things we should learn from your culture. There's a lot of contrast as well, and since the day that I arrived here, I saw, for example, how the bus driver, people bowed to him, which I found incredible. And going, I would be like, hey, a high five, and that would be it. So it's incredible to see their respect for each job and the love they get. Like I said in my speech before, it's mono no awari. You live simplicity, you live awareness, and you live a perfectly balanced life. Fukushima. Hi. Thank you very much. Arigato. I'm on Fuji because I saw it and I cried. I cried.
一番思い出に残っている場所が福島となっております。福島を訪問した時に、子どもたちとの交流があったんですけれども、その時にその子どもたちにハグされて、とても自分の国コロンビアの、懐かしさが忘れたという部分がとても思い出になりました。で、日本に来てとてもびっくりしている光栄が、バスの運転手さんにも誰でもお辞儀をすることが、コロンビアではそういった行為がないので、みんなは結構フレンドリーで「はい」みたいな「へえ」みたいな感じでバス運転手さんに挨拶をするんですけど、そういうのはとても親切で、とてもリスペクトのある尊敬するような表現があるので、それがとてもいいなと思っています。一番思い出に残っている場所が福島ということです。
Yeah. So what was okay? So Miss International 2025. So what was the most challenging part of your journey to the crown here in Miss International, and how did you overcome it?
The hardest part for me was the lack of sleep, because I love to sleep 8 to 10 hours. It's as simple as that, because the other things are just part of my personality, of who I am, so I didn't have to fit into a role. Simply I just existed, but the lack of sleep, I know it affects me. And how did I get over it? Thanks to my roommate Edie, which she is Miss International Spain, and she was like, "Vamos Kata," which means let's go Kata, every single day. Vamos Kata, vamos Kata. I was like, Edie, because I'm a nice person, so she helped me get through it. It's a simple thing, but it's the reality.
But it's all worth it.
Yes, 100%.
Thank
Catalina,
you.
felicidades por tu corona, la cuarta para Colombia. vegetarian, supe que podías ganar. ¿Qué piensas tú, yo, el jurado en ti, para ganar?
Honestamente creo que es que no soy una persona que tenga máscara, disfruto la vida como es, me la gozo, las reacciones que siento inmediatamente reflejan en mi cara, disfruto pensar qué cara estoy viendo en este momento, entonces de pronto los jurados vieron eso, también vieron en mí una mujer que no tuvo que encajar, sino que simplemente era, soy una mujer serena, pero a la vez segura, espontánea, auténtica y honestamente siento que cumplo con todo lo que mi determinación buscaba y me alegro que los hayan visto.
Felicidades, muchas gracias.
Catalina, how does it feel to bring back the crowd to Colombia since the last time you won was in 2004?
It's incredible and it's an amazing feeling, but at the same time, I always told Colombians to not think about it like as the destination being the crown, but every girl that's been here before me, they helped me open the way, they talked me about this international, the people who've been here, so this win of mine, it's not mine, it's theirs. It's of the entire country. So I feel incredibly happy. I know that Colombia must be joyful, which I'm glad. It's actually pretty early in the morning right now, so they're probably having arepas, coffee, and I really want to eat them when I get back home.
Thank you.
コロンビアが優勝してから結構数年経っているんですけれども、こういった優勝はコロンビアだけではなく各国のラテン系だったりとか、今までのミスインターナショナルは参加してきた今年出場者の皆さんの優勝としても私の中ではみんな輝いていると思っているので、コロンビアの方々今コロンビアにまだ朝一なんですけれども、みんなコーヒーとか朝ごはんまで食べている習慣がと思っているんですけれども、こういったニュースを朝見ていただくことがとても楽しみ
A mi amado concurso nacional de belleza, gracias, esto es debido a ustedes, a su apoyo, a su preparación e inicialmente por haber querido a mí por convertirme en señorita Colombia. Ustedes y las jurados vieron en mí esta posibilidad, esta corona, pero definitivamente no es lo que llevamos puesto en la cabeza, sino cómo actuamos día a día, en las sombras, cuando no hay fotos y sonreírle a la vida. Colombia, los amo, qué orgullo, les traje la cuarta, los espero bien emocionados en el aeropuerto cuando lleguen, por favor. Los amo, gracias.
Kata, what was going through your mind when you were called to the last two? And what were you saying to Zimbabwe?
I love Zimbabwe. She's actually one of my closest friends here. We were next to each other in the doors, so we were kind of roommates. And since the first day, we clicked. And we have this internal joke, which is Cosa, and we do like this every day. Cosa, Cosa. Oh, she's here now. So we started saying Cosa, and they kind of catch up, and all of us started saying Cosa, Cosa. We all love Zimbabwe, we admire her, she's a great woman. So honestly, me taking her hand, I was extremely happy because I knew if whether she or I got the crown, I would be absolutely happy, and I wouldn't, like, I want to hug her and celebrate her as much as if it would have been me. So I was just like, I love you, this is so fun, and I actually started saying, and she was like, Casa,
This will be the last question, but I will just say 今の質問に対しての回答なんですけれども、その2位を取った時に2人で手をつないでいる時の気持ちに関しては、そのジンバブエのこともとても仲がいいので、こうやって2人で手をつないで優勝をアナウンスされるまで、ずっとお互いの中でハウザーという表現を出しているので、それをずっと2人でお互い見ながらやっていくことが、ステージの中でも誰が優勝しても、一番に輝くことがとても自分の中ではあるので、そういったような彼女たちで合図し合うことが、今日の夜のとても